Go.
Alright, no, she feeds herself. Okay, KK's gonna do the cinnamon challenge for me tonight. It's kind of fun. My kids are being silly and I love it.
You gotta do a butter challenge.
Nigga, I eat butter.
Okay. Once you're done with the cinnamon challenge, you're gonna do a butter challenge.
And she's off. Come on, baby. 1.
You said it.
Yep, you started this.
You smoking? Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth. Smile at the camera. Smile at the camera. Smile at the camera. Smile at the camera, boy. Look at the camera. Now you know why I threw up.
Don't throw up.
Get it out. Here, Mom. I'll do it.
Oh my God.
That's your challenge, Mom.
How's it taste?
Yeah.
Hehehehe